Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon to everyone attending the first international conference and environmental science for sustainability access 2026. It is an honor to present under our shared themes of. My name is Ahmad Mundir and I'm a master student in management from the Faculty of Economic and Business, Universitas Negeri Semarang, class of 2025. Today, I'm proud to deliver our case study, Waste Management Strategies in Higher Education, a case study of UNES as pioneer of sustainability, eco-friendly campus governance. This presentation highlights how our institution achieves a zero landfill target for organic waste and major drop in organic material through structured mechanical, biological, and digital innovation. Please forgive me, my English is not very good, very strong. There will likely be several incorrect pronunciation during my delivery. I do hope this does not diminish the meaning on and purpose of my message. Thank you, and let us begin. Today, I'm pleased to present our presentation titled Waste Management Strategies in Higher Education Institutional, focusing on comprehensive case study of Universitas Negeri Semarang, or UNES. As a pioneer of sustainable, eco-friendly campus governance, UNES is deeply committed to embedding ecological protection directly into its administrative and operational framework. In an era marked by global environmental degradation, higher education institutions must act as living laboratories for ecological innovation. Over the next few minutes, we will explore how UNES coordinates a high successful integrated waste management system combining composite, maggot forming plastic shard, and advanced sewage treatment and digital system to actively support the sustainable development goal. To build a truly sustainable university, operation must be ensured by robust institutional framework. As highlighted in the established literature by Velasquez et al. 2005 and Al-Suwaikat and Abu Bakar 2008, comprehensive campus sustainability cannot rely on ad hoc project. It is demand synchronized environmental governance, advanced technological infrastructure, and active stakeholder collaboration. UNES has established its structural pathway toward a zero waste environment by structurally integrating policy mandates and organization organizational commitment. This enables the university to systematically mitigate the environmental footprint generated daily across academic, administrative, residential, and commercial campus sector. How does this look in practice? UNAS enforce several target zero waste policy regulation. The primary legislative answer is the Rector's Decree number 26 of 2019, which mandates the absolute prohibit of single-use plastic across all academic and administrative and vendor space on campus. To support this, the university enforced a mandatory tumbler campaign. obligating student, faculty, and seminar guests to use reusable container. With the clean water provided via Lux dispenser system, to reinforce this eco-conscious behavior, we have installed 12 ready-to-drink tap water stations across campus. Furthermore, UNES Techless Paper was through extensive digital paperless initiative, moving academic workflows, moving academic workflow, thesis evaluation, and research submittal into reduced cloud solution, saving thousands of physical paper reams every year. Organic waste management serves as primary sustainability milestone for UNES because our university maintain massive conservation forests and reforestation zones for preserves its green identity. We generate a substantial biomass supply. In 2025, our annual left little our annual of little total reached over 4,200 tons, contain the primary share of campus refuse. To manage this, the university upgrade its integrated waste management faculty or the university upgraded its integrated waste management facility or TPST, which now span an extended 1,540 square meter. At this facility, personnel upcycle bulk leave little into premium packet organic compost to fully satisfy the landscaping and soil rejuvenation need of the entire campus. Through this local slope, UNES has achieved and sustained a complete 100% zero landfill status for organic waste categories Science 2019. Ensure no organic material are sent to municipal landfill. To optimize resource efficiency, our strategy water processing is divided into two distinct conceptual framework: value added upcycling and biosafe downcycling. Under value added upcycling, organic waste in converted into high utility secondary product with commercial and artistic value. Beyond mass composite production, we support Resandiria Live Art, an entrepreneurial student-led startup that craft exciting canvas art, souvenir, and bookmark directly from discarded leaves skeletons. Conversely, biosafe downcycling focus on ecological stabilization and material recovery. This include utilizing black soldier fly or BSF maggot breeding to rapidly decay canteen food waste resident without odor. The executing controlled incineration of coarse wood brands at 800 degrees Celsius under strict filtration standard, compressing the residual as into construction grade Batako paving block for campus infrastructure. Let us a closer look at our biological decay loop. Food was collected from campus dining halls. Student function and residential facilities is funneled directly into an advanced cultivating cycle using black soldier fly or BSF larva. This natural biodegradation process delivers dual strategies outcome. It rapidly eliminates the organic kitchen scrap without emitting an foul odor, while simultaneously generally high nutrient dense live or dried maggots. To close the economical loop, the dried maggot products are packed, branded, and commercialized. They are successful marketed to regionally poultry and agricultural farmer as an eco-friendly, high-protein alternative feed, proving the daily dining waste can be converted directly into agricultural asset. Moving on the organic waste, our data reveal high ensuring minimalism trend. Thanks to our unified plastic ban environment, digital academic workflow, and environmental literally drivers. The aggregate volume of paper and plastic was dropped sharply from 48.25 tons in 2024 to 66.45 tons in 2025. This represents an annually reduction of 11.8 ton within just 12 months. The most dramatic decline was seen in soft plastic, which plummeted from 39.95 ton down to 26.89 tons. This drop is a correct consequence of the strict enforcement of Rector Decree number 21 of 29 number 21 of 2019, proving the institutional mandate when matched with active stakeholder collaboration can successful shift consumption behavior across the entire campus population. For the inorganic waste that has accumulated, UNES optimize its processing through a reduced mechanical shredder loop at the TPST facility. First, trained personnel secretly classify all incoming plastic waste into specific material types, including PET, HDPE, PP, and LDPE. High-value industrial plastic are then fed into a mechanical shredded, shrinking bulk material into uniform microshed at the immediately ready to be shipped to commercial recycling industry as secondary raw material. For non-marketable or contaminated soft plastic, the facility uses standardized high temperature incinerator to guarantee safe thermal destruction. Strictly complying with national emission parameter to eliminate environmental and plastic health risks. This slide provides a structure breakdown of our inorganic material management metric for 2025, which all total 38.33 tons. So plastic represent our large volume at 26.89 tons. manage stroke combinate setting the control thermal description, our paper was to stand at 7.83 ton, while a point is reprocessed internally into handmade graphic. The excess bulb is shipped to PT Pora Nusantara Persada as our primary paper mill partner. Hard plastic account for 1.73 ton, undergoing granular compression at latticing for commercial buyer. Finally, 1.88 ton of glass and other inorganic residue are treated via controlled incineration, where the ash byproduct is composite to manufacture eco-friendly paving block used for on-campus construction. A massive driver behind our vast communication success is information technology integration and digital governance. UNES has engineered a specialized electronic infrastructure to eliminate traditional office filling and paper accumulation. Platform like Citedi and Elena handle thesis monitoring and online assignment digitally, completely replacing physical paper consultation draft with different code file review. Similarly, SIPP and our digital archive secure resides proposal submittal, final reports, and administrative letter in electrical storage. For microeconomics transportasi, the HEBAT and UI Greenmatic database, centralized campus carbon emission and energy data logs, enable real-time data audit, improving data precision, and ensure evidence-based environmental choice. Our ecological design extend strongly to liquid waste. Execute truck for distinct wastewater treatment life cycle pass in pass 1, detention, dangerous chemical and biological effluent from university laboratories and administrative site are captured and isolated at the source. In phase 2, filtration, sediment interceptor filter are physically suspend solid, oil and grease. Phase 3, in the core biological step, pure medicine, where UNES deploy for specialized microbiological IPAL system, the utilize microorganism alongside natural filtration to safely eliminate organic pollution and hazardous toxic elements. Finally, in phase 4, reuse, the purified water is circulated back into campus retention ponds, landscaping network, and botanical garden, severely reducing our dependency on municipal freshwater supply. In conclusion, Universitas Negeri Semarang serves as an exemplary, actionable model for integrated waste management in higher education by blending from inter-institution policies, continuous capital infrastructure investment, active civic engagement, and advanced digital governance. UNES successfully run a circular economy model that consistently hit zero waste target. The system framework reduce municipal landfill dependency while capturing the full ecological and financial value of our waste stream. Thank you. Thank you very much for your time and attention. Akhirul kalam. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.